If you have been looking for ways to join this Ghibli trend and you don't know how to generate the images, I'm going to be showing you how to generate the images on this particular video. You can see this particular trend where people just change their image to this kind of format, right? So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can generate all of this using your Twitter. This is done using Twitter. ChatGPT doesn't work unless you are subscribed to ChatGPT, but if you are using your Twitter, just make sure that you are using the updated version of Twitter. All right, then come to your Twitter homepage here. You're going to see Grok AI. Grok AI can generate those images for you for free. You don't need to be subscribed to the premium in order for you to generate it. So just click on the Grok, right? So once you are on Grok, you are going to upload the image. So click on this particular icon here. This is where you click to pick an image. So I'm going to select an image now. Okay. So let me just use this image of Trump. Now, once this image is being uploaded here, I'm going to type in the command. So I'll just say Ghibli this. And this is the first image. It is not so perfect, all right? So you can also give it more prompts and tell it to edit it to your own style. If there's a particular style you want it to be, you can give it the command and ask it to generate it for you. But I want you to know that the images can be generated using Twitter. Let me try another image. Okay, let me go with this. So I just type Ghibli this image. Okay, then send, and a Ghibli style image should be generated for me. All right, image is being generated, and this is it. Not perfect, but at least it is close, right? At least it's not perfect, but it might be close. This is AI, and then it can only be as good as the image you upload or the prompt that you use. But if you generate it using Grok AI, if you want to save any of the image you have generated, you need to click on this icon here. This icon is where you need to click to save your image. So if I click on this icon, then I select any of the image that I want to save. Click on this three dotted line, and then you can save it to your gallery. Once it is saved, any other one you want to save, you click on it, you click the three dotted line, and then you save to your gallery, and it is saved to your gallery. So use this and generate your own. Upload your image, ask it to change it to Ghibli. As clear as your image is, it can also help it to generate a good image for you. That is all, guys. If there's any other question you have, ask me in the comment section. This can also be generated with ChatGPT, but only for those that are subscribed to ChatGPT. So thank you so much, guys, for watching. Do not forget to follow me on Twitter at crypto_catch, and I will follow back. Join my Telegram channel for more crypto news and updates. Thank you for watching, and then bye for now, guys.